to YouTube. Welcome once again to Industry with Big Stone and you don't know we're at the famous Far Bar at the outskirts of Montego Bay, having fun. And guess what? I'm here with the legendary Black Lion, recording artist. Artists that did songs like Push Lady Push and the Big Band combination. Well, that is phenomenal. Black Lion, welcome to Industry. Big Stone. That's the fire. Yes. Black Lion, you don't know we're having a tribute to the right now. Beer Jar. And as you know, we know Marcus Garvey is our first national hero, right? And we're trying to get his teaching into the classroom for the younger generation of Black Lion to live up on a superstar like this and be a roadmap for your followers. What is your thoughts on Marcus Garvey?
Well, my thoughts on Marcus Garvey, Marcus Garvey said my look at him coming up with Black Kings. As a Black Judah and a Black King. He's a youth and I honor Marcus Garvey to the face because Marcus Garvey is such a vital, knowledgeable, he's like the wind. I'm saying the words are like the wind.
Yeah, man, look for me in the world.
Yeah, sometimes the eyes Marcus, near Marcus, Sizzler Marcus, Turbulence Marcus, I want to see on this. The artist there said, all of them one black man, man.
We know you have done a lot of songs out here. We know your career has been all over the place, all over the world. What do you feel about reggae music now, the type of tune with the artists not motivating the young youth them and making them who they are?
Well, I see where it have a lot to do with the media, because the media is the one who really like pushes it, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, I like what they're doing, but through them poor people pick the doing the music, so I still embrace them because they're trying to put food in mommy mouth or daddy, you know what I'm saying? But at the end of the day, they need to listen to the elders who are almost there, and marketing their words. So to help embrace black people, universal, you know what I'm saying? But my advice to you them out there right now is keep focused, live what you say, you know what I'm saying? That's what most important, you know what I'm saying?
As you know, we're here speaking to the artists from the western section of Jamaica, but Jamaica worldwide artists, because it's big and broad and universal. Black Lion. But guess what happened? We're going to dig a little deeper in some of the early days of Black Lion. The people know, whoever they know that I know who Black Lion is. Tell us how you all started.
Black Lion was a youth that come up in the city of Montego Bay, and you know Montego Bay is a more tourist resort where you have many people from all over the world come here, Outcast, because some people flex with us a little youth still, but at the end of the day it's like growing up as Black Mice, I get to sing on Kangal International Sound, African Symbol, Padantone, Dan Angelo, we know when Shabba Rankin have one red pants, we know when Pinchers I get chain from Kangal Japanese, we know all the thing about the business, but at the end of the day it's like I reside to Kingston as Black Lion.
No, yeah.
When I was Black Mice I did like 8 times on reggae song.
Give them a little piece, drop it here.
That one a name. Push lady push, don't feel the youths a bush. The youths are the future. Push lady push, bring forth the ancient kush. No, 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 no.
Why you too sweet to carry the boy on the street? You never come to keep Black Lion. Bad like yeah. Why them two them push lady push? You went #1 on the chart in different places.
In your heart. In your mind.
What have you done after Push Lady Push? Such a big
After Push Lady Push, I've done songs with Jewelry, What's Cooking, I'm coming home for something, tribute to you Monday.
Yes.
And I did like a song with Ginger. Write songs up. I just have a new single with Boom Boom. Boom Boom is Movado selector. So I write a song, compose it, and I've been doing the work. You know what I'm saying? Reside in Kingston. So you know, I'm in Kingston, that's where the business is. So I have to live in the business. It becomes a part of the business. You know what I'm saying? Because it's business.
Yes.
You know?
But we're here having a one-on-one chat with a legendary superstar, Black Lion. A man that has been out there in the business, doing it through the struggles, maintaining his goal and his discipline and saying we're going to fight the fight because Marcus Garvey fight the fight and left it for us to continue. So we're just an instrument of the right now the Marcus Garvey. What do you think about Marcus Garvey birthday becoming a national holiday?
Well, I mind if it becomes a national holiday because at the end of the day, Marcus, he pays such dues and such discover for black people physically to really like repatriate for mental slavery and certain things. So, like how them give Sam Sharp as a man who fight the battlefield, Nanny, and them they give Bob Marley. You know, Marcus, I think Marcus is worthy for his credit, you know what I'm saying? And no one can say Marcus don't forget when forget, because the black and the berry are the strong and the roots. So Marcus know the thing.
We notice most of the youth in Jamaica now, the turn style in a pattern of bleaching, not recognizing their skins, not looking forward to who they are as a black person, not looking at their skins and look at their ancestors, that the ancestors died and bled for what we look like. What do you say to some of these youngsters?
Well, you see, most of these youths that changes in their complexion still, they're still not going to be accepted in the white world. Because at the end of the day,
you're black.
You see, even though Cartel and Michael Jackson bleach, Michael Jackson didn't accept it in the white man house because he didn't change his eyes. Because the man's eyes is significant. Because without, I can change this, like it become white as snow. But at the end of the day, I can't change this. That's the main thing. So you have to keep the blackness within. More within than even out.
Yes, because the inborn thing is the inner thing.
What is happening
with Black Lion now in terms of your recording? What can your fans look forward to you?
Well, as I'm saying, I'm always doing it. I'm on YouTube. Once say Black Lion, you see things pop up. Google Black Lion in Jamaica. Things pop up. Facebook. You have a Facebook. Right now I have a new tune. I say, the girls them want me. The girls them need me. Them a ping, them a Twitter, them a search Amazon, them a search Facebook to find me.
Hey!
So
that's sweet! The girl them want me. The girls them need me. Them a ping, them a Twitter, them a search Amazon, them a search Facebook to find me.
Every network them a
find Black Lion.
Yes, them a find me.
Them a find right to August 20th. The thing is swell up now on YouTube. When we say the thing is swell up, remember we started with Caesar Clan to the high piece. See? Then we talk about boom, Turbulence of Future. Then we talk boom, George Lux, Paul Elliott, my friend. See? And then we go to boom, the man till then, Major Lion. See? Mac Conscious. And the thing swell up and swell up and swell up. And now you in here with Black Lion.
And Junior X, the man. I love the thing, man. Because guess what? You can't put on a show in a city, any city in the world, and don't include
the artists from the area.
You know what I mean? So
you may expose
this is a major show. Just buy the package. We give thanks, you know? The present, Big Stone. Keep doing what they're doing now.
But I want you to look in the camera and tell the younger youths, oh, they can become like a Black Lion because you want to be broke poor. Nobody knows no money around here. And you still all the struggles and so. Show them how to do it now.
Even though I'm not like Michael Jackson and Cartel, them, but I represent music and this. It's not about the fame and the fortune and the this and the that. You have to focus. Don't take no coke. Don't try to get caught by negative energy. Try to stay focused. Your mother, see that the hungry be fed, the sick be nourished, cheer and care, kind. You have to just to become whose Black Lion is right now, because my thing is not about the eye, it's about the militancy and the respect. We can come in the city and see man like the eye and the still come say, yo Lion, there are enough artists them really don't focus, see me? So I try to hold my focus, so any youth really want to get my focus, they have to go biblical. Because once you go biblical, you will understand the philosophy of Marcus and the philosophy of Christ and the old black sizzle and the old blackness. See, so just spiritualness, keep focus, read the Bible, stay true. All things good.
Ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we're in the streets in Montego Bay on the western side of Farm. Man, big up my friend Danny in the house. My mother used to take care of me. Guys, you don't know you're larger than life. Anyway, you're there, big up yourself. You help us as little youth. Feed where we don't know food, feed and help us. So we have to respect and big up in this time. Black Lion is an artist to recommend. Go up on YouTube and go up on Facebook and Twitter and all over the world and Google them and buying CD there.
Before me leave, them know say not because we come from Mobile, where you to know every language.
Yes, give me something.
And I say, reach a German with the good reggae strong. So me have to talk like a German man. Sprechen Sie Deutsch, Box Dynamic. Welcher Motel Vix Duke, yeah. Me leave German, then me reach a Japan. So me have to talk like a Japanese man. Konnichiwa, Daijo, but you enjoy them a suka. Hey,
YouTube, turn up my match. Hey, the two greedy. We don't go to the busy, but we say Marcus Garvey now and Marcus Garvey forever. Rastafari and Ray.